Alright guys, so this is actually pretty much all you need to make your own hand sanitizer. Again, washing your hand is the best, but it is handy to have some hand sanitizer handy. So all you need is ALEO, actually rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. That is actually at least 60%, but 90% will be best. So again, this is actually not the best thing that I got. So rubbing alcohol would be much better. And then you can add also a little bit of essential oil. This is not something necessary, but it'll have a good smell, and it also has some antimicrobial properties. You need a container to mix everything with. Of course, first, measuring cup, container to mix it with, something to mix it up, a funnel to put it in a container. This is something, soap, reusable container, easy, and actually we love that brand, by the way. So here you go. Here is my measuring cup. So I'm gonna do 1/3 of aloe. I mean, the measurements really, I don't think have to be, again, I'm not a doctor, so don't quote me for that. Don't have to be perfect. I guess it will be more about the consistency. Same thing as far as the essential oil. I'm pretty sure you can put as much as you would like to. The more you put, the better it'll smell. Also, it might actually help killing a little bit more germs because, again, a lot of essential oils are antimicrobial. So here is 1/3, and then one more. And actually, isopropyl alcohol does not have that great a smell, which hand sanitizer just plain does not have either. So it's where adding on the lavender essential oil, which could get a little bit pricey though if you put too much, but it will help it smell a little bit better. And here I'm mixing it up. There we go. Getting my container. I've already actually did a little bit in the bottom. I'm just gonna fill it up today, so we have this handy with us in the car. There we go. Turn that up. Close it up. And then there you go. Wash my hands. Actually smells pretty good. That's all it takes. Yep, and it took me less than 3 minutes, guys. So don't be scared if you can't find hand sanitizer. There's a lot of things you can do on your own, but first thing is wash your hands.